Who's ready for Destination Wedding? Because Drew and I are always up in the air, we're loving the theme of whimsy and travel, and we want to use that for our centerpieces. So we're going to make a hot air balloon that's carrying note cards for guests to write messages in. We're gonna have these hot air balloons suspended over the table, and we love these so much because they're unique, they're pretty, and functional. This is what you'll need. A lantern and an LED light so that it doesn't get hot. You'll need some baskets and some silk flowers, some twine and measuring tape, and of course your crafting power tools, pencil, scissors, and of course glue gun. I'm gonna start with the twine. I'm just gonna cut a super long string and it's gonna weave from one side to the opposite side. Attach them almost halfway up. So I poked a hole over there and I looped the end of the twine so that it doesn't fray, and then it's easier to poke it through the hole. Just pull it through. On the opposite side, I'm gonna poke another hole. And as much as possible, try to poke the hole close to the wires just so that it adds some structure. Use 2 long strings and weave them through to create a crisscross on the inside, just so that it's balanced and not lopsided. There we go. Now that you have both strings strung through, pull them all up and make them all an even length. And now you attach it to all 4 corners of the basket. Just make sure you're using the same amount of twine for each knot to keep the lengths the same. Now we're just gonna glue on the flowers, and you can just have fun with it. You can put it in any pattern you want. I'm just gonna start gluing on with the big flowers first and then start filling it in with the baby ones. We're just about done here. Now I'm gonna attach the light, hang it up, and make sure that it's balanced out because the flowers on this side do add a bit of extra weight. These turned out beautifully. I think your guests will love them, and you can personalize these as much as you want. I'm putting stationery in there for our guests to write messages for us. You can put anything in there though. You can put candy, fortune cookies. I think they turned out lovely.